Welcome back to Passive Wealth Formula, your ultimate source of inspiration and innovation in the world of business and AI-driven strategies. Today, we're embarking on an extraordinary journey of discovery as we explore futuristic, groundbreaking business ideas that are poised to reshape the next 5 years. Each idea will be thoroughly explained to ensure that you grasp its essence, empowering you to transform these concepts into actionable plans. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready to witness the future of entrepreneurship unfold. 7 innovative business ideas, pioneering the future of entrepreneurship. As we gaze into the horizon of the next 5 years, the potential for groundbreaking business opportunities is boundless. Join us on this enlightening expedition, where we unveil 8 visionary ideas that promise to revolutionize industries and redefine success. 1. Sustainable living solutions. Eco-friendly product rental service. Establish a platform where environmentally conscious consumers can rent eco-friendly products, fostering a circular economy and reducing environmental impact. Urban farming. County ops. Create urban farming cooperatives that enable city dwellers to collaboratively grow fresh produce, promoting local agriculture and enhancing food sustainability. Smart home energy management. Develop AI-powered solutions that optimize energy consumption in households, empowering users to embrace sustainable living practices. Explain the role of AI algorithms in managing energy efficiency and its benefits in reducing carbon footprint. Green packaging solutions. Introduce eco-friendly packaging alternatives that minimize waste and offer a sustainable solution to the environmental challenges posed by traditional packaging materials. 2. Health and wellness innovations. Virtual fitness studios. Launch an immersive online platform that connects fitness enthusiasts with virtual instructors, offering dynamic workouts tailored to individual needs. Discuss the potential of virtual reality technology in enhancing workout experiences. Personalized nutrition plans. Introduce an app that analyzes users' dietary preferences and health goals to provide personalized nutrition plans and recipe recommendations. Elaborate on how AI-driven algorithms can tailor nutrition plans for optimal health outcomes. Mental health tech. Develop AI-driven mental health tools that offer support and resources to individuals navigating stress, anxiety, and emotional well-being. Highlight the importance of accessible mental health support and the role of AI chatbots in providing assistance. Telemedicine and remote healthcare. Explore the potential of telemedicine in expanding access to healthcare services, especially in remote or underserved areas. Discuss how AI can enhance diagnostic accuracy and remote monitoring. 3. Emerging technologies. Augmented reality commerce. Pioneer AR shopping experiences, enabling customers to virtually try products and revolutionizing the e-commerce landscape. Discuss the impact of AR in enhancing customer engagement and reducing product returns. Blockchain-based supply chain. Implement blockchain technology to ensure transparent and secure product supply chains, enhancing consumer trust and brand integrity. Explain how blockchain can tackle supply chain challenges like counterfeiting and traceability. Internet of Things, IoT, for sustainability. Utilize IoT to monitor and optimize resource usage, empowering businesses to make eco-conscious decisions. Illustrate how IoT devices can reduce energy waste and streamline operations. 5G-enabled innovations. Explore the possibilities of 5G technology in enabling faster data transfer and enhancing user experiences. Discuss applications in smart cities, autonomous vehicles, and real-time data analytics. 4. EduTech and lifelong learning. AI-powered tutoring. Create an AI tutoring platform that offers personalized learning paths for students, enhancing their academic achievements. Explain how adaptive learning algorithms can cater to individual learning styles. Skill-based learning platforms. Introduce online platforms that curate courses and certifications tailored to specific skill sets, empowering individuals for career growth. Discuss the importance of upskilling and reskilling in a rapidly evolving job market. Continuous learning subscriptions offer subscription-based lifelong learning services, granting access to diverse educational content and resources. Explain the benefits of continuous learning in personal and professional development. Virtual reality education. Explore the potential of virtual reality in creating immersive educational experiences, from virtual field trips to interactive simulations. 5. Green technology and renewable energy. Solar-powered mobility. Develop solar-powered electric vehicles and charging infrastructure, accelerating the transition to sustainable transportation. Discuss the impact of solar energy on reducing carbon emissions in the transportation sector. Eco-friendly construction materials. Innovate eco-conscious building materials that minimize the environmental impact of construction projects. Explain the benefits of sustainable construction in reducing waste and resource depletion. Community-based energy sharing. Implement energy sharing networks among households and businesses, optimizing renewable energy utilization. Highlight the role of peer-to-peer energy sharing in creating energy-efficient communities. Green data centers. Explore the concept of energy-efficient data centers powered by renewable energy sources, reducing the carbon footprint of cloud computing and digital services. 6. AI-driven customer experience. Hyper-personalized marketing. Utilize AI algorithms to deliver tailored marketing campaigns, enriching customer engagement and loyalty. Discuss the role of AI in understanding consumer behavior and preferences. Predictive customer support. Implement AI-powered customer support systems that anticipate user needs, enhancing customer satisfaction. Explain how chatbots can offer instant support and resolve customer queries efficiently. AI-enhanced product recommendations. Leverage AI to provide personalized product recommendations, boosting sales and customer delight. Highlight the benefits of recommendation systems in increasing cross-selling and upselling opportunities. Voice-activated commerce. Explore the rise of voice-based shopping experiences powered by AI voice assistants, simplifying the customer journey and enhancing convenience. 7. Blockchain and fintech innovations. Decentralized finance. DeFi solutions. Create decentralized financial services that offer inclusive access to financial products and services. Discuss the potential of DeFi in revolutionizing traditional banking and financial systems. Smart contracts for legal agreements. Introduce smart contracts on blockchain to streamline and automate legal agreements, minimizing friction in transactions. Explain the benefits of smart contracts in reducing intermediaries and ensuring trust. Digital identity verification. Develop secure and verifiable digital identity solutions, enhancing security and trust in online interactions. Discuss the potential of blockchain in preventing identity fraud and data breaches. Contactless payments and cryptocurrencies. Explore the adoption of contactless payment solutions and the rise of cryptocurrencies in reshaping the financial landscape. Congratulations! You've delved into 7 extraordinary business ideas that hold boundless promise for the future. Remember, innovation is the bridge to success. Embrace these ideas, nurture them, and transform them into impactful ventures that drive positive change. If this video has sparked your entrepreneurial spirit, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Passive Wealth Formula, and hit the notification bell for more empowering content. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey of business innovation. Together, let's usher in a future where possibilities are limitless and dreams become reality. Until next time, stay inspired, stay innovative, and continue reshaping the world of business.